Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to get your web access code online directly through Revenue Canada. A web access code is required when you are submitting slips like the T4 or the T5 to Revenue Canada, to the CRA, through an XML file. And usually XML files are used by software like QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Desktop, or you might be using a forms preparation software like Taxcycle or Profile or DT Max. And all of these prepare your slips and they upload them into a specific format. That format is referred to as XML, and this gets uploaded to Revenue Canada. And in order to do that, you need the web access code along with either your payroll number or your dividends number. And just to keep in mind that your payroll number is the first 9 digits of your business number, your CRA business number, and then it ends in RP 000, usually 1 or 2. And for dividends, it is the same 9-digit business number, and it ends in RZ 00001 or 2. So in order to get your web access code online, and you can also call CRA, we all know what a nightmare that is. So if you can do it online, it is better. So we are going to go through that process right now. It is fairly straightforward. And what you need to get your code, so if you already have a web access code and you just need to retrieve it, you would put in your account number, your date of registration, or a specific financial field. This is actually the same to both create a new code and if you already have one. So we are going to enter the information and hopefully get a web access code at the end of this. Okay, so we are going to agree to their privacy policy. I encourage you to read it. In my case, I would like to request a web access code. So I'm just going to simply click on Next. So I have filed returns in the past with CRA. If you were a first-time filer, you would simply click on the second one and click on Next. I am going to click on Payroll, and the information return is T4 because I have filed a T4 in the past. So now I have to put in my payroll number, and remember this ends in RP 00001. And then my date of registration is the date that you registered for payroll, which is often the same date that you incorporated or set up your business. This might be challenging to find. If you can't find this, then you will probably have no choice but to call them. So in my case, registration date is December 12th, 2014. So I am going to select that here. I am going to click on December 12th, 2014. Okay, and now they are asking for box 22 from my 2023 tax summary. So you will have to go to your T4 summary and look for box 2022, which is the total income tax deducted. This will be different potentially for different people. I don't know if they always ask the same question or not, but just be prepared with your T4 summary if you have filed in the past so you can retrieve this information. And the T4 summary is just simply the total of all of your T4s. So if you're using software, if you have used it in the past, you should simply be able to go to the history and find the T4 summary. So I am going to enter the amount, and then I'm going to submit this and we'll see if it works. And it worked, which is great. So I do have a web access code, and so I am going to take this and copy this to a place where I can retrieve it in the future. I would also print this out as a PDF just so you have it for future reference in case you lose it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, you can simply leave a comment, and please like and subscribe and have a great day.